How to change language on TikTok. First, open your TikTok application and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Now, this is going to be a very simple step, so make sure that you follow it. Now, you want to tap on these three lines at the top right corner and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, all you want to do is scroll down, and under Content and Display, you will find an option called Language. Just tap on it. Over here, tap on App Language. Right now, as you can see, there is the red sign that indicates that English is the preferred language right now. What you want to do now is scroll down and here choose your preferred language. So as you can see, there are lots of options and you can change your language into any one of these. So I'm simply going to choose French right here. After that, tap on Done. Now, as you can see, your language on TikTok has been changed. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.